How to add your Oculus account on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your Oculus account on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines in the top corner and then go down. Click this one, see your profile, and click edit profile, and then go down and here you will find links. Click add and then click add social link and then platform and go down. Here you will find Oculus. Click on it and then add your Oculus username and click here and then save it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and then see you in the next video.